Hi guys, it's Simon. Welcome to this new AI radar. Let's start. MIT researchers have developed an algorithm to help engineers design soft robots that collect more useful information about their surroundings. The deep learning algorithm suggests an optimized placement of sensors within the robot's body, allowing it to better interact with its environment and complete assigned tasks. The advance is a step toward the automation of robot design. The system not only learns a given task but also how to best design the robot to solve that task, says Alexander Amini. Sensor placement is a very difficult problem to have, so having the solution is extremely exciting. Of those 62 papers included in analysis conducted by researchers from the University of Cambridge and the University of Manchester, roughly half made no attempt to perform external validation of training data, didn't assess model sensitivity or robustness, and didn't report the demographics of people represented in training data. Frankenstein datasets, the kind made with duplicate images obtained from other datasets, were also found to be a common problem, and only 1 in 5 Covid-19 diagnosis or prognosis models share their code, so others can reproduce results claimed in literature. Other common issues they found with machine learning models developed using medical imaging data was virtually no assessment for bias and generally being trained without enough images. Nearly every paper reviewed was found to be at high or uncertain risk of bias. Only 6 were considered at low risk of bias. ZNet reports that Amazon, AWS, and Hugging Face team up to spread open source deep learning. The partnership consists of a few parts. Hugging Face has built 2 new services, Auto NLP and an accelerated inference API, built upon Amazon's SageMaker suite for artificial intelligence. Hugging Face said it has selected AWS as its preferred cloud provider. The partnership offers a container service specialized for deep learning, referred to as the DLC, or Deep Learning Container, to speed up deployment of Hugging Face's library of over 7,000 natural language processing models. And all of it is integrated into the SageMaker development environment. The partnership is a nice high-profile win for Amazon, which in December, during its annual re:Invent conference for AWS, said that more and more sophisticated practitioners of machine learning are using SageMaker to speed up development. Writing in his newsletter about MLOps, a field that aims to make building and deploying machine learning models more systematic, Dr. Andrew Ng states that AI system development will move faster if we can shift from being model-centric to being data-centric. Unlike traditional software powered by code, AI systems are built using both code and data. Hence the equation AI systems equal to code plus data. When a system isn't performing well, writes Ng, many teams instinctually try to improve the code, but for many practical applications, it's more effective instead to focus on improving the data. For many applications, especially ones where the dataset size is modest, less than 10,000 examples, Hank says that teams will make faster progress by focusing instead on making sure the dataset is good. For example, you should ask yourself, is the definition of y given x clear and unambiguous? Do different data labelers draw bounding boxes consistently? Do speech, strong do speech transcriptionists label ambiguous audio consistently, etc., etc. Hank's view is that if 80% of work is data preparation, then ensuring data quality is the important work of a machine learning team. Hank also hopes that, rather than counting on engineers to chance upon the best way to improve a dataset, practitioners can develop MLOps tools that help make building AI systems, including building high-quality datasets, more repeatable and systematic. MLOps is a nascent field and different people define it differently, but he thinks, Andrew Hank thinks, the most important organizing principle of MLOps teams and tools should be to ensure the consistent and high quality flow of data throughout all stages of a project. Zedner reports that Samsung Electronics said it has developed a 512GB DDR5 memory module. The hardware made with high-K metal gate process technology offers up to 7,000 megabytes per second in data transfer rate, over double that of conventional DDR4, Samsung said. The company stacked 8 layers of 16 GB DRAM chips for the module. It said the memory will be able to handle high bandwidth workloads in applications such as supercomputing, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and data analytics. Often viewed as the panacea for one-to-one marketing, omnichannel experiences, data marketing attribution, and consumer privacy frictions, notes EurasiaReview.com. Researchers at University of Minnesota, New York University, University of Pennsylvania, BI Norwegian Business School demonstrate that advances in machine learning and blockchain can address these frictions. However, these technologies may in turn also present new challenges for firms and opportunities for academic research. First, to fully realize the potential of omnichannel marketing, firms need information on all their interactions with each customer as they traverse the different stages of the customer journey. Second, advances in attribution modeling have significantly improved firms' ability to assign credit to a specific marketing touchpoint. Third, consumer privacy is advanced by regulation, customer empowerment, and blockchain guarantees. Still, there are several questions about how to improve consumer privacy. Finally, public policy is thus far focused on the deleterious effects of machine learning-induced algorithmic biases such as racial or gender discrimination. Okay guys, it's all for today. See you next time. Bye.